Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video we will learn how to integrate ChargeBee to QuickBooks. Our use case is pretty simple. When a new subscription is made in ChargeBee, it will create a customer in QuickBooks. Now ChargeBee is an online subscription management software and QuickBooks is an accounting software. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from ChargeBee to QuickBooks. Now as you may know this, there is some kind of native integration between ChargeBee and QuickBooks, but this native integration is kind of limited. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. In this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate ChargeBee and QuickBooks. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down. And here at the bottom again you will find the option connect. Here click on access now. At the right corner you will find a button called as create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as ChargeBee integration. Then click on create. When you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as ChargeBee because we want to send the data from ChargeBee. In the choose method, let's make it as new subscription. Now new subscription is basically a trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new subscription is added, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like new invoice, new subscription instant, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to mail. But at present, I'm interested in sending the data when a new subscription is made. So I'm keeping the method as new subscription. Then click on connect with ChargeBee. Okay, so to connect with ChargeBee, we have 3 blanks to fill: API key, password, and the site name. So password can be avoided, we don't have to fill it, but the API key and the site name need to be filled. So to fill in the API key, let's go to ChargeBee, and here at the left you will find the option called as settings. Click on settings, then click on configure ChargeBee under settings. Click this. Okay, so scroll down and you will find API keys and webhooks. Here click on API keys. Okay, so I'm going to add a API key. So click on this button, add API key. Okay, so you have 3 options: publishable key, full access key, and read-only key. So we want full access, so just click on this. I'm going to give a name to this key. So the name of the key is Death Star. Something random that's coming to my head. Okay, so just click on create a key. So a key, API key called as Death Star has been created. I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to paste it here in the API key. Okay. So coming to the site name. To get the site name, just go back to ChargeBee. Here just copy your domain name, subdomain name up to here. This is mine. Okay. Copy this and paste it here. Okay. So all the fields has been filled. API key and the site name. Password need not to be filled. So just click on save. So basically when you click on save, ChargeBee has been integrated with Pabbly Connect. So basically it means that whenever a subscription is made in ChargeBee, Pabbly Connect will capture this data. So to check it, let's create one dummy subscription in ChargeBee. So I'm going to create one dummy subscription. Okay, so the name is Becky G. The last name is Euler. The company name is Music Random. The email is Becky G try123@gmail.com, something random that's coming to my head. Phone number is 9131323912. Okay, that would do. Plan name I'm going to select, let's say Grow. The unit price is 89. Okay, PO number is not really important. Start date, let's keep it as today's date. The number of billing cycle, let's say it's 3. Auto collection is on. The first name, again we have to type in the billing info, so let's copy this. Simply copy this and just paste it here. The last name was Euler. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, similarly with the email, yes, I know it's mundane and tiresome, but we have to do it. We are going to create a dummy subscription, that is why I'm going to paste it. The company was Music Random. I've copied this. I have pasted it. Similarly with the phone number, simply copy this. Then I have pasted it. Okay, now the address line one, let's say is F10 Beauty Mark. That's the address line 1, near Random Street. Okay, address line 2, Tisteltown. City code, she is from Paris. Zip code 75001. Becky G is from Paris, so zip code is of Paris. The country, she is from France. Let's keep it as France. Okay, then click on create a subscription. Confirm. Okay, subscription of Becky G has been made. So to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been captured. So let's scroll down and see what all data has been captured. The currency code is USD. This is the first name Becky G. This is the last name Euler. This is the email, and this is the company name. This is the phone number. This is the address line F10 Beauty Mark, and this is the address line 3, Tisteltown, address line 2. City is Paris and country is France, and this is the zip code. Okay, so all the details has been captured. Now we have to sync these details to QuickBooks. So to do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, let's make it as QuickBooks. QuickBooks Online. In the Choose method, since we are interested in creating a customer, let's make the method as create a customer. Now create a customer is an action. Just like triggers, there are many more actions like create an invoice, delete an invoice, send an invoice, and so on. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action for you. But at present, I'm interested in creating a customer. So the choose method is create a customer. Then click on connect with QuickBooks. In the new credentials, just click on connect with QuickBooks. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. So before we map in the details, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. Okay, so let's scroll down. So as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. So the purpose of the blank is very simple. We are going to sync in the data that we have received from ChargeBee into this blank to create a customer. So the display name. So this button is called as the mapping button. Here, just click this and we are going to type in a name. So the name is, let's say, Becky G. And in the given name also, we are going to map in the name as Becky G. Okay. The middle name is not really important, but if we can add the last name, Euler. Title is not important, family name not important. Company name, we had the company name. Okay, that's Music Random. We also had the phone number. Okay, so we have mapped the phone number. Mobile number and phone number are basically same, not really important. Yes, we need the email, that's quite important. Becky G, gtry123@gmail.com. GSTN, not really important. Billing address 1, we had the address. Okay, so the address was, let's scroll down. Yes, this is the address line 1. Then we have the address line 2, address. Yeah, address line 2, we have mapped it. The city was, I think, was Paris. Yeah. The state code, country code, yes, we have the postal code. That was 75001. That's the zip code. Okay, and any relation? Okay, currency was, I think, US dollars, USD. Okay. Tax registration number, no, not really needed. No, UTR number, not really needed. Preferred method, payment method, let's keep it as a credit card. Preferred delivery method, print later. Okay, so basically all the details has been mapped, all the important details has been mapped. So just click on save and send test request to create a customer in QuickBooks. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to QuickBooks. So just have a look at QuickBooks. Should be in the sales. Okay, let's go to see the customer. Yes, we have a customer called as the Becky G. Okay, so let's expand this. So this is the billing address, this is the email, and this is the phone number. So this means that we have successfully integrated ChargeBee and QuickBooks with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a subscription is made in ChargeBee, it will be reflected as a customer in QuickBooks. But double check it. If the integration is working fine or not, let's make one more dummy subscription in ChargeBee. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So let me minimize this action window and let me minimize this trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated ChargeBee to Pabbly Connect, then you integrated Pabbly Connect to QuickBooks. So now there's a perfect flow of data between ChargeBee and QuickBooks. Okay, so let's create one more dummy subscription in ChargeBee. So the first name is let's say Lucent. Last name is William. The company is Ford Motors. That would do. Email is fordmotors123@gmail.com. Okay, phone number is 9131323923. The plan name is let's go with scale, $279 worth. The start date is on 12th November. The number of billing cycles, let's keep it as 10. The first name, let's again go and copy this. You know the drill, it's tiresome, I know, but we have to do it anyway. The last name is William. Simply copying this and then we are going to paste it. So name of the person is Lucent William. The company name is Ford Motors. Okay, that's working good. The email is fordmotors123@gmail.com. So I've copied this, then I've pasted it here. The phone number is this, copied this, I've pasted it here. Address line 1, okay, let's type some random details. D10 Ashoka Marg 234. Address line 1 is random street. Address line 2 is DLF town. Okay, city is, let's say, Delhi. Postal code is 462023. This time let's go with the India. Okay, province or state is, let's say, Delhi, or we have Madhya Pradesh. Yeah, let's go with Haryana. Okay, that will do. Then click on create a subscription. Confirm. Okay, so a subscription has been made in ChargeBee by this person called as Lucent William, and he works in Ford Motors, and this is the email address. So let's see in customers whether we have a person called as Lucent William. So as you can see, the person called as Lucent William hasn't arrived yet. The reason it is because that ChargeBee actually take a significant amount of time to send the data. So we actually have to wait for at least 5 or 6 minutes to receive the data. So let's wait for 5 or 6 minutes and then I will update the result. Okay, yes, we have got the data. So let's expand this, and here's the billing address, and here's the shipping address, and here is the customer name, and this is the email. So our integration is working absolutely fine. We have got the customer Lucent William. So whenever there is a subscription made in ChargeBee, it will be reflected in QuickBooks as a customer.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.